Hi, it's Leslie with Road Notes RV. So we wanted to tell you a little bit about our new friend. So we owe a little bit of credit to Chad and Tera from Changing Lanes RV for this, because we were watching a video one evening with a side-by-side comparison of the Coleman grill, stand-up grill, versus the Blackstone griddle, 22-inch griddle. And we were floored by that because we just happened to own a Coleman grill. Now, over the last few years, we found that we've been using that grill less and less. Several reasons. One, it has to be put up and taken down. Two, it has to have a big propane tank for it, which took up a lot of space in our storage compartment. And then eventually it got to the point where we couldn't even open the propane tank because it was wedged. We just kind of got lazy and stopped using it. So we eventually took it out of the RV. So when we saw this video, it was amazing because in our minds, it won hands down. It's an actual griddle that pretty much can do anything and everything all on one surface. So we ended up purchasing the 22-inch griddle, and we're going to show you all about it. For us, it's actually one of the best purchases we could have made because Mark's actually vegan, and he's been vegan for a couple of years now, and I'm more of a flexarian. So this griddle can cook everything from eggs to pancakes to burgers, hot dogs, vegetables, you name it, you can put it on there. Even like hibachi style vegetables and rice. So we're going to introduce you to the finer features of this, and once again we want to thank Tera and Chad from Changing Lanes RV to opening our eyes to this new product.
Look who came to visit. Ashley J.
What earth would you think you were going to get away with that?
Is that on?
Is that obvious?
Is that thing on? In the background, you can see our new grill or griddle from Blackstone. We have recently purchased it, and this is going to be our first time using it and our first time setting it up. And I figured...
What are you talking about?
And I figured I'm going to take you guys along with how to get this started, because apparently you can't just take the Blackstone out of the box, start cooking with it.
Well, you could, but apparently it'll taste like crap.
But there's a step-by-step process of getting the grill ready. Okay, so in the instructions, which we are following, it says to wipe down the griddle, which we've done that. The second step in the process is to preheat your griddle, which is what we're doing right now. Now this is supposed to take 10 to 15 minutes on high to medium heat. And what we want to see here is the grill discolor the way it looked when we took it out of the box. And I'm not sure with the...
It has.
Maybe here you can see a little better that it is starting to discolor. Okay, well, now we're going to repeat process for the second time. A little bit of oil. A little bit of paper towel. What are we waiting for now?
Smoke to stop.
Smoke to stop, that's right. Okay, So we are ready to cook now, and we're gonna, since it's our first time using it, a bowl of some nice mixed vegetables. And here we go. Got onion, zucchini, portobello, squash, peppers, and some spices. Okay, while the vegetables are cooking, we're putting now on our meatless, plant-based, ground, quote-unquote beef. And we will see how
Make sure it's not under it yet.
that's gonna do.
Looks cooked to me.
Okay, time to clean it up. Just plain water onto a still hot griddle. And it comes off pretty easy.
That was it, guys, for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. The food came out really nice and delicious. I was so glad that my daughter was able to come visit. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so, and don't forget to hit the bell button. And we will see you in our next video. Until then, goodbye.